Continuing on with our RingPlan desktop app walkthrough on all the different features, next one I want to highlight is the voicemail module. That's available through settings and then voicemail. And so I've already got a couple voicemails. Just a few things to notice here. We've got actually two voicemails you can look at, and from that voicemail I could play that message. That would pop that open, and from here I would actually play the message, and that's going to kind of play that, and that'll kind of show you the progress of that message. You can also control the volume. We also have a transcription of that voicemail, so if you wanted to, you could simply read that instead of listening to it, and you can basically get an idea of what it says. Then let's say I wanted to call that person back. I could hit the little dial button, and that would actually pop it over to the dialer, and you could call them if you wanted to. We've got a messaging option, and that will ask you which number you want to message from, and then you can go ahead and do that. I've got the ability to delete that message, so let's say I don't need to call that person back anymore. I can hit delete. Are you sure you want to delete this? Yes. The message is gone. And I can share it, so that would be either copying the link or the text or sharing via email. A couple different options there. So grabbing the link just copies it into your clipboard, or I can also do the same with the text or sharing via email, and that will just pop up whatever email program that you're using. So that's a couple things about the voicemail setup. Lastly, we have the ability to filter, so I can just see things that have happened in the last 7 days or the last 30 days or today. I can apply that, and that would be showing nothing that I can go back to and put last 30 days, for example. And I can pick which extension I want to see in there. And lastly, I can just clear those filters out. All right, now it's your turn.